Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pretty Doll Leo. Today I will show you how to make outfit for dolls. Oversize. This method is very simple for you to imitate. I was inspired by many people who use oversized outfits. So today I try to make it for Barbies. I hope I can make it. Let's get started. Cut the fabric like this. Make sure the size is bigger than the actual Barbie's clothes size. Tada! This is what it looks like. Let's try it on Barbie's body, so you can find out how big this outfit is for Barbie. You can see it. And cut the fabric into two small parts like this for the sleeves. Oof, I forgot! Cut the ends of the two small pieces of clothes like this, according to the sleeve pattern on the shirt earlier. Haha! I forgot. I'm sorry, guys. Do the same for the second fabric. Then, sew between the shirt and the sleeves. Finally, finish sewing the sleeves. Looks like I need something on the shirt too. I think I will make my name on the shirt. Oh my god, I made my brand in this oversize. So, if you are good at screen printing clothes or whatever, you can try your own way. So, if you don't know how, then you don't need to add pictures to your clothes. So, because I can't print clothes, so I will just embroider them. Guys, I forget to give the pattern using a pencil on the shirt again. If you don't make the pattern from the skirt before embroidering, you will have a hard time. So I suggest making the pattern earlier. Let's start embroidering again. finally done. The next step is you sew the ends of the outfit so it's look neat. And then you sew the edges of the knee. And the last step is you sew the edges of the outfit. Okay, finally, this oversized outfit is finished. One more thing. If you have trouble removing your Barbie head to attach this outfit, you should use Velcro or snap button or other clothing adhesive. Let's try it on Barbie's body so all of you can see it. I think this is really good on my Barbies. I like it. What do you guys think about this outfit? Oh yeah, if you are imitate my style and method in this video or make a Barbie's dress inspired by my video, you can tag me on Instagram. See you in the next video guys, bye! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel y'all. Bye!